All right, back at it, gang. What's going on? So let me paint this picture for you right now. It is April 17th, okay? We got about 3.5, maybe 4 inches of snow last night. We've had a cold front all week. The high hasn't been higher than like 40 this week. And then last night decided to snow. There's a little bit left, you can see behind me. But it just sucks because that water was just starting to hit that like mid 50 range. And I'm worried that, you know, obviously it went down a little bit. I don't know how much, but it's gonna slow the bite down just a little bit because next week we're jumping right back up in the 60s. So it's that crazy, you know, Midwest weather that you see all the memes about. It's true, it's bad. It's like a week and a half ago it was like 80 degrees. And then this week all high in the 40s. So the temperature just cut in half. So really weird, but I think we're kind of out of the woods after today. Tomorrow it's supposed to be in the 50s and then 60s from then on out, and the future forecast looks pretty darn good. So that being said, gonna come out here and see if I can catch some bass after this snowstorm. Going with some real slow moving stuff. I'm gonna be rocking a jerkbait, working that super slow, and then I have a jig as a backup, but I think the jerkbait's gonna be the key today. So you see me use it before, you know it works out here. Same spot I usually go to. Gonna work the banks real hard, see if I can stay on the side that's not very windy. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get after it, so let's do it. Here's my guy, the usual. Shadow Rap Slow Sinker, classic. Water's super clear right now. I mean crystal clear. I can see clear to the bottom. It's probably 8 foot deep right here, so that's pretty cool. Fish got it. Oh man, he swam all the way up here with it. Man, that was weird. That was a weird bite. Fish? Yes. That is a nice fish too. Oh, such a slight hit. Nice fish. There we go. All right. Man, he cranked that. Pretty good fish right there. Snag that thing. Boom. Look at that little football, man. He is fattened up. Oh man, let's go get a weight on this guy. Just under 2.5. Hey, you know, not a bad fish. Well, guys, not a bad fish. Little chunky guy, not huge, 2.5 pounder. You know, I told myself in the car right here, like if I catch one fish, if I get one good bite today, I would count that as a successful day. And yeah, proved to be one. He cranked that bait. You saw it was like sitting sideways in his mouth, so that's awesome. But we're gonna get this guy back in the water and let him keep eating whatever he's eating, man. They're healthy in here, but boom. Not bad. Woo! All right, get this guy back in. On you go. Hell yeah. That'll do. Look at that. Good Lord. I would have had a limit. Boom, another hit. That feels like a good one. That feels like a decent fish. Oh, it's because it is. Don't you dare come off. Get out of there. How the hell am I gonna land you? My God, just slip you. Boom, man. Another fatty. Jeez. Wow, take a look at that. He hit that back hook, and that's actually missing one of the trebles on it. So that's only a 2 hook treble hook there that he actually got a piece of. Wow. Get a weight on this guy. Last one was like 2.4 something. This guy looks about the same. We'll take a quick look here. We're talking 2 on the dot. It's about what I figured. 2 on the dot for this guy. Decent. Man, tell you what, he hit it like a bat out of hell. That was awesome. He cranked that bait. Here we go. Hell yeah. Well, you know, not the best day, but like I said, I was kind of excited just to get a single bite, you know, after a big snowfall. We had like four-ish inches of snow, and it all melted today. Got like 40 degrees. Right now it's 36 out, so not the warmest conditions. It's a little bit windy. My hands are kind of chilly, and I don't know. I was out there for probably a good 2.5 3 hours almost. 2 decent fish though. That can be the perk sometimes when you're going after these fish in the colder conditions. I've noticed that the bigger ones do tend to hit. So, you know, you can sacrifice a few bites for the better ones, but I don't know. That was my day. Not bad. Can't complain too much. Anytime you're catching fish after a snowstorm and while it's that cold out, I think it's a pretty good day, regardless of the size or how many you caught. So, 2 fish, both on the jerkbait, classic. What do you expect me to catch fish on this time of year anyways? So, that's been the move for me pretty much since I started fishing this year. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited to get going on this nicer weather we got coming up. I think starting tomorrow. We got 50s and then boom, 60s all week next week. And I got some fun stuff planned. You know, hope everyone's staying safe with the coronavirus going on. I know it sucks, but get out and fish where you can. Yeah, you know, go do your thing, catch some fish, keep some fish, whatever you want to do. So thank you guys again for watching. Find me on Facebook, Instagram at Adventures with AK, and we'll see you guys later.